What's up, guys? Today we're going to fly the ToLiSS A321, and I'm going to tell you why I hate this aircraft so much, and why you should just pirate it and not buy it. Because look at this. This aircraft must be used as an experimental flight model, which means this aircraft can't be used in science experiments like in Mrs. Stevens' science class. And this is a scary... Oh, that's so stupid. Okay. We can't buy this fucking PFB. We're going to put the flax to 15 mode, and then the auto brake. We shouldn't be able to put the auto brake on the ground. This is unrealistic. Anyways, I don't like this plane very much, if you couldn't tell already. We're going to set this airplane up and see if it detects Louisville Airport. Okay, this is not realistic, because I am, as you can see, I am Yankee, Lima, India, Lima. This is Captain Ashley Harvey Peck and I. This is not realistic. Now, we'll just put like a flight number or something. So, what do we fly? Qantas Airline. So, we do Qantas Airline. Captain Harvey Peck. No! Harvey Peck. 690 420. Okay, this is not realistic. Oh, we didn't even put the flight number. TORSTEN, you need to step your game up. I'm going to put in the basement. Look like it's an email request. Maybe that. Maybe not. That's a retarded. Okay. Flaps. We do flaps 6. That's not realistic. We are flaps 15. This is not real. Okay, maybe we do flaps 9. Shut up. Okay, maybe it does. Maybe flaps 99 degrees. That is racist. Flaps 9. There we go. As you can see, Captain HP, Harvey Peck, F for flaps 9. We're doing a flaps 9 takeoff. And rotation speed will be 755 knots. Ah! Okay, well, let's just take off. No! This is not realistic! No pooping! Okay, sounds very good. Why isn't my wallet not working? Okay, there we go. Let's set altitude to 30,000 feet. Shut up! Okay, 100 knots. 100 knots. Rotate. I said rotate. Okay, we're rotating. Rotate. Wow, we're not landing, we're taking off. Okay, finally, get up. BS plus 500 blue runway track. That means we're close to the Lilydale line train track. Now, we just need to gain speed. Now, I need F for no flaps. Now, here's another reason why I don't look at the aircraft. Shut up. Okay. It says, shut up! It says, women telegraph. Shut up!
Yep.
Okay.
500.
No more warning. So, it says, man telegraph, but it doesn't say women Antigua. Okay, just disappeared. This is Torsten Lee's trying to hide his sexism. Now, I don't like this because this is Jetstar that is CFM engines, not IAE. This is unrealistic. Also, it's very loud. I don't know why. This is not very nice. This is very bad sound. Now,
One time.
we need to shut up. Okay? Now, we're just got a cruising altitude of 40,000 feet. We're going to climb up more. Hopefully, we don't lose too much speed. We won't crash because we're Captain Harvey Peck. Okay, I think Melbourne Airport over there, 240. Really have my in-flight snack. So you're this ASMR. No! Alright. We're at freezing speed of Mach 5. Hey, let's turn the volume down. Okay. Now the volume has been replaced with rock Eminem music. Okay, let's climb up some more to 40,000 feet. Shut up! Okay, now, as any professional pilot would do, we go outstar. Where is outstar? This is why I hate ToLiSS. Torsten Lee. Pissing my pants. Okay. Now we're at cruising altitude. Shut up. Okay. Sydney's below there, I can see. As you also see, that's Richmond train station. There's something like a Bulldogs thing down there. We don't like Bulldogs. I hate Bulldogs, just like Tom Brady. He went to my school. No, baby. Look, my side stick all the way down. It's pitching up. It's not realistic. Because if you put the side stick down, it should go down, not up. That should be basic Commonwealth engineering. Okay. It seems like the problem has been fixed by Torsten Lee because I was complaining. But now... oh my god, not again! I don't want to airplane land this airplane. Maybe it's because we shut down both the engines. Shut up! Now, we lose more speed to land the airplane. Okay. Not to panic, Captain HP is to the rescue, because we are professional Harvey pilots. We are about to make landing at YMML. Okay, flaps 40, gear down. Hopefully this works, but I don't think it will. As you can see, we're on a stabilizer plane. I actually didn't mean to make it this stable, but that's because we're Captain HP! And we can do whatever we want! Shut up!
2,500.
Okay, 2,500 kilometers per hour. We need to start the IPU to add some thrust to our airplane. We're going too low. Okay, we need to put some speed brakes up. This is very mad. But at Captain HP, we don't need to land at VLSP. We can just... Oh, what the fuck have I done? Oh, fuck. I think my sensor crashed. On. Okay. This is why you should not buy the ToLiSS A320. But, let's move on. We've got Microsoft Flight Simulator, and we've got the Phoenix A320, which is better than the TORSTEN, but I hate the Phoenix because it is gender fluid, and it decided to go from EPR to N1 mode, which is like CFM, but it's like IE engines, you know? This taco is so good. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make Spotify shut up before I demonetize this video. Do it shut up? Okay, yeah. Let us fly the fly-by-wire A320 Neo. Alright? This is our favorite airplane. And we will go from... Let's go... London Heathrow Airport. And we'll fly all the way to my house. Melbourne, Australia. EGLC to YMML with Harvey Peck Captain. As I'll show you, this will be the best A320 in any flight simulator. Alright. We'll take a bit so just bear with me, alright? Alright? Now, I was on the 109 the other day, and saw this cunt. He was breathing like paint thinner or something, and I was like, oh, I want to try some, and he gave it to me. It was very good. Okay, now we're ready. Now, as you can see, this is a fly-by-wire A3 Neo. It's very good. It has a DCDU. The buttons all work. Print, Pro, MSI. The MCDU. Very good. IAE A1 engine. So it's an old airplane. It's an EASA 1. As you can see, like if we go to the engine page, it's EASA 1. And it's got the round edges, so it's like very good, because we love EASA 1. Now, let's go to fly plane. Look, it's so good. It's already programmed everything for us. Just like in a real airplane, it says if you request, it gets it from VHR 3. Oh, so good. This is better than the shitty Phoenix Sim and ToLiSS. I hate ToLiSS so much. Fuck TORSTEN simulations and systems. I don't even know what it fucking stands for, alright? Now, let's turn the lights on. We make some phone call. Okay, it doesn't work. I mean, it does work. So this now. Engine on. APU agent. Looks like we don't need to turn on fuel pumps. Okay, let's fly. Let me just go flaps 20 there. We'll use a gear up for takeoff. And then there's no iPad because who needs an iPad for the foreskin fly? Alright, let's go. Brakes off. And we are very brave. 80 knots. 100 knots. Rotate. As you can see, we are flying Positive, right?